I got all the chrome pieces redone, all the interior. I got the new dash in there.
Right.
When we put them injectors in there, the motherfucker had 1,000 horse.
Hey, what?
Them injectors in there is 1350 from ID.
Yeah.
We changed that. And all the cam swap the heads, ported the blower, paused the blower, did all that shit.
Craig doing his thing, huh?
Yeah. That motherfucker.
And who did the exhaust work?
Nah, the exhaust coming up, bro.
Oh, the exhaust coming off?
Yeah, I'm redoing this shit.
This an X pipe too, ain't it?
No, that ain't no X pipe. That's like a what?
Oh,
I ain't even look at the exhaust.
You ain't look at the exhaust?
Nah.
Nigga, that's what I've been looking at.
Oh, that's the open the what you call it? The cutout.
There's a button on the floor. So I can
When you put the button, it open the pipe up.
That's what Unc got on his
It
truck.
loud, yeah.
and you say you taking this off though?
Nah, I'm gonna redo it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I wasn't saying
that
nothing
is
wrong
his
with it.
pipe.
I just wanted to look.
Nah, because when I had the pipe done before Wesley did it, so he ended up cutting it off. So now I
Okay.
gotta redo it.
Gotcha. Okay.
But yeah, it got Cadillac because it's a 6-speed transmission.
Right.
If you get B&M shifted, the bitch only gonna go on drive. You'll never get the rest of the gear.
gears.
So I put the motherfucker in drive, and then I could paddle shift all the way out.
All the way out.
Yeah.
Boy, you about to goddamn fuck the game up. Damn. Yeah.
All that shit in the garage, bro.
I know. Yeah.
Coming with it. So this been in the works about a year or two.
Yeah. But see, like going to shop shit, man, that was the problem because doing the LSA is cool if you don't run the transmission. If you run that same Cadillac transmission, they don't make the shit to run that Cadillac. So that shit, the paddle shift they do for this car was too bad to hook up to the fucking transmission. And I had to wait for that to get built. because now it wouldn't bolt up to the steering wheel.
Right.
So he had to re-drill. It was just, man. That
Wow.
shit was a bitch, bro.
Shit do become headaches, bro.
That's wild. This bitch finished show it though.
Yeah. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. That's a lot.
So look, bro, to be honest with you, the chrome pieces shit, I want to put all that, let y'all put on that
Okay, so you do want us to put everything back. You want us to put the car back together.
shit. The chrome pieces, the lights, because I don't want my car fucking fucked up. You know what I mean?
I got you.
If y'all do it, you know what I mean, you can
Right.
straighten the shit out.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so I'll bring all that shit later. You know what I mean? When you tell me to bring all that other shit.
Okay.
Put the Tierra in, and like I said, the bulbs and the hazard shit is at home. The thing is, because it was an 84,
You got to switch everything
I
over
gotta
to
switch
the
the
80,
plug,
86,
switch the plug
86.
over.
If anything, we probably have to go to the junkyard and try to find them out.
Nah, they sell it.
They sell them? The whole?
I actually had a plug, but it just I need 4 plugs, and work that over. And shit, I'll bring it to y'all and let you put that in. And then if you know somebody with the glass after you finish, we got
Window glass.
yeah, put all the glass back on.
You got it. You got new glass, or you gonna use the old glass?
I got all the old glass. I just got to get a front windshield because when they got ready to take it out, that shit cracked.
Right. Okay.
But well, I could get new glass though.
Yeah, you can get new glass.
For real?
Yeah, I asked my glass guy to see if he can get all glass for the whole
Hey,
thing.
get this shit over with. That's
You couldn't think of nothing else because he needed
That
what you
they
seen.
need to order.
Yeah.
Not that we can just see off the top.
Okay.
We should be fine.
Yeah, we good to go.